Yo, skincare fridge. Oh my god. This one is basically to put inside to separate it from, just to give space. Yeah, that's basically it. Hey beauties, welcome back. So beauties, in today's video I am going to be doing unboxing. Yes, so today is going to be basically unboxing video, but something really interesting which I'm excited to see because I haven't opened it up. I just want to react to it on camera before you guys, by the title and by the thumbnail you guys already have idea of what it is, but I haven't seen it. I don't know how it looks like. I've only seen the picture on Amazon. So let's see the real thing. Oh my god. Hope you guys do not mind because I'm coming to you guys today with my hair. Like the natural me. The natural me. But anyway, so I'm not just in the mood. I'm not just in the mood to wear makeup right now. So I thought I could do this freestyle. All right, let's get into this video. So yeah, here is the box right here. Amazon. Yeah, I got these item from Amazon. I will put the price on the screen for you guys. Very affordable. Honestly, I was shocked at the price. Yeah, I was like, hey, I need it ASAP. So let me open it up for you guys to see. Whew. Okay. Oops. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at how it looks like, guys. This is it. This is the package. All right, so let's just open it up and see. Oh my god. Okay, why is it difficult to open up? So voila. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Let's take this out. Oh my god. And it has handle right here. And this is the ventilation area right here. And also here, I guess. So this is the control area. This is the control power, like the power button and green and off. So I don't know what these ones are for connection, but let's see what the inside looks like. Maybe I need to sit down to do this. So let's see what the inside looks like. So let's open it up. Yeah, guys, did you see that? Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at, these are the things that came. Okay, yeah, it has some cables that came with it, and this is it. This is it. All right, so on this part right here, it has a lot of things written here, which I'm going to go through later. Basically, I think these the way to use it, and yeah, it states a notice. So I think these are the things you need to know, or what you need to know about those skin. Oh, did I even tell you guys what it is? This is a skin care. Wait, let me see that, guys. It's a skin care fridge. All right, so I've been seeing these on Amazon, and I've also seen a couple of videos on Revolution Pro Instagram page, you know, when those their skincare routine videos. So I watched a video by this Nigerian YouTuber. What's her name again? Oh, Dima, yeah. She showed when she was getting her skincare from the fridge, like the skincare fridge. I was like, okay, let me give this a try. Let me just get it. I've been seeing it, so let me get it. And that's how I went to order this thing on Amazon, and it didn't even take long to come. It came, I think, within 2 days, which was super fast. All right, so this is what it basically looked like, guys. This is what it looks like. Skincare fridge, guys. Look at them. So I think this is basically to put, this one is basically to put inside to separate it from, you know, just to give space. Yeah, that's basically it. Oh wow. So this is it. This is basically it, and you're just going to have your product up here and down here. So yeah, so this is it for this unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. It's a very short video, I know. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. This too much lighting is annoying. So yeah, this is it for this video. I know it's very short. Yeah, it's just unboxing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my time to get some skincare product, which I know I'm going to use for long term. You understand? So I'm going to do that, and I was thinking to actually get some product from L'Oreal. Another mindset I should, or I would say, I also had a thought to try Revolution Pro. They have tons of skincare products. I don't know which one to go for. I would like you guys to suggest between Revolution Pro and L'Oreal. If there's any other skincare product or any other brand you guys will want me to try, please do let me know, because I so want to stock here up. I so want to fill this space up with skincare product, like mask, serum, face shampoo, like just name it, whatever you can think of. All right, so yeah, this is it, guys. Let me know your thought in the comment section below. Yes, I'm going to film a video doing that. I will definitely do that. So let me know your thought in the comment section below. Did you find this video helpful? I would like to know your thought. This thing was worth the cost of this thing was €38.24. Was really affordable, guys. Really affordable. And by the way, I will put the link in the description bar. You guys know, I will. All right, so this is it, guys. Please, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, follow me up on Instagram at Dilias Empire, subscribe to my vlog channel, Dilias Vlog, and also check out my lash line, Dilias Empire Lashes. The link will be in the description bar, so just click on it, go to the description. There are other things you might have interest in getting. Their links are in the description. So yeah, so this is going to be it, and until next time, guys, stay beautiful and be blessed. Bye, guys. Bye.